All right, number one. We just need to factor the denominator. The denominator there would be 5x. That would be x plus 6. So 5x equals 0. X would equal 0. X plus 6 equals 0. X equals negative 6. So the denominator cannot be 0 or negative 6. Number two, factor the denominator. Difference of squares. That's k plus 3, k minus 3. We set them both equal to 0. We get k equals negative 3, k equals 3. Number three, to add, we need the same denominator, so I'll multiply the left side by x minus 1. Multiply the right side by x plus 2. I need a FOIL, so first x squared, outer, negative 3x, inner, negative x, last plus 3, plus first x squared, outer, plus 2x, inner, plus 4x, last, plus 8. Combine like terms. It'll be x squared minus 4x plus 3 plus x squared plus 6x plus 8. So, again, like terms, x squared and x squared is 2x squared. Negative 4x plus 6x is plus 2x. 3 plus 8 is 11 over x plus 2, x minus 1. Number 4, that will be x minus 4 times x plus 2 over, can take out that's difference of squares. That'll be 3x minus 4, 3x plus 4 times the denominator. That will be x plus 4, x minus 4, difference of squares. That numerator, I need to do AC method. I'm going to do that up over here, 3x squared plus 10x plus 8. A times C is 24. Two factors of 24 that add to give us 10 are 6 and 4. Split the middle term. 6x, 4x, plus 8, 3x squared. Shh. Factor by grouping. Can take out a 3x. Leaves me with x plus 2. Can take out a 4. Leaves me with x plus 2. So that will be 3x plus 4 times x plus 2. Okay, so canceling, we can cancel out a 3x plus 4. Cancel out a x minus 4. And that will leave us with x plus 2 squared over x plus 4. Times 3x minus 4. That's what I said.
That's what he said, David. Okay, dude. Okay, guys.
Number 5. That's going to give us negative 8 and 3. So x minus 8 for x plus 3 over, it's a GCF of 2x. which leaves us with 3 plus x times. All right, I'm going to multiply that whole thing by -1 so that gives us, well, yeah, that's what I want to do. So that gives us times -5x squared over, that will change that to x minus 8. So I can get some canceling there. I can cancel the x minus 8s. The x plus 3, 3 plus x, you can just rearrange that. That's the same thing. That cancels. So I multiply across, that'll give me -5x squared over 2x, which then that'll give me x. So I'll have -5x over 2. I got y plus 4 times 3 over y plus 4, y minus 4. Difference of squares there. So the y plus 4's cancel. We're left with 3 over y minus 4.
I remember what I was going to ask. I factored.
Number 7, that will be 4a plus b times a minus b plus 3 over a plus b. So I need to multiply this right side by a minus b, so that will give me 4 plus 3a. Huh?
4AB, right? Yeah. This is the numerator.
Yeah, sorry. Plus 3a minus 3b over a plus b, a minus b. No GCF there or nothing, so that's just the answer. Number 8, need to multiply the left side by x plus 4. Need to multiply the right side by x minus 4. Distribute, that gives us 12x plus 48 plus 3x squared minus 12x over x plus 4, x minus 4. Combine like terms, and that will give me 3x squared. The 12x's cancel, plus 48 over x plus 4, x minus 4. We have a GCF of 3, which leaves us with x squared plus 16. Oh, never mind. Not very exciting. So that's just your final answer.
It's the sum of squares.
Reciprocal function B.
F of x.
Good. F of x or y equals 1 over x. All right. So here we have an asymptote at x equals 1. X is like a snowflake, vertical. And y equals 3. 1, 2, 3. So vertical x equals 1. Y equals 3. and it's 1, so our graph would just be like this. Don't worry about getting the exact points. Just go ahead and sketch that. All right, next two we haven't really done yet, but I wanted to challenge you here. Same concept of what we've been doing. So we need to factor the denominator here, and that would give us x over x minus 5 times x minus 2 plus x plus 2 over x minus 2 equals 1. So what is the least common denominator there? X minus 5 and x minus 2. So you're going to multiply the whole thing by that, which that will give you x that, x minus 5s will cancel there, so you just got x plus, here the x minus 2 will cancel, so x plus 2.
By the reciprocal, so it would be x minus 5, x minus 2 over 1.
Yep, equals x minus 5 times x minus 2. To get rid of the denominators. And then you can solve for x there. So I need to FOIL x plus 2 times x minus 5. So that will give me first x squared outer negative 5x inner plus 2x last minus 10 equals, and so that will factor, actually first x squared outer negative 2x inner negative 5x last plus 10. So my writing is going to continue down over 12. Combine like terms on the left side. We've got x squared minus 2x minus 10 equals x squared minus 7x plus 10. All right. Then from there, the x squareds would cancel. Add 7x. We would get 5x. And then I'm going to add 10 to the right side to get 20. Divide by 5. X equals 4. All right, number 12. Remember, you can go back and watch this. Well, we multiply. So since the denominator, that's difference of squares, x plus 1, x minus 1, we're going to multiply the whole thing by x plus 1, x minus 1. So distribute there. We just get equals negative 2. Denominator cancels. Distribute there. X minus 1s cancel, so that'll be minus parentheses x plus 1. Parentheses is important there. Distribute right there. X plus 1s cancel, so we're left with 2 times x minus 1. Okay. So I will distribute 2x minus 2. Distribute minus x minus 1. It's negative 2. So that will give me x minus 3 equals negative 2. When I combine like terms, add 3, and x equals 1. So what's the problem with that solution there? Think real hard. What would happen if you plugged that back in? It's undefined. Good. Undefined. Plug that back in, it would not work.
So should we always plug it back in?
All right, if it varies inversely is x times y equals k. So that will be 8 times 3. And we're trying to find y when x is 6. So 24 equals y times 6 divided by 6. So y would equal 4. Directly is y divided by x equals k. So we have negative 10 over 3 equals y over 5. And whenever you have an equation set up, you have fractions set up equal to each other, you can cross multiply. So that'll be negative 50 equals 3y. Divide by 3. What's that give you? Somebody?
16 and 2.
16 and 2/3. Negative 16.
Thank you. All right. What would x be here?
5 or 3.
Huh?
3.
X would equal 3. What? No, it wouldn't.
It's 2 and 2/3.
2 and 2/3. Thank
Yeah.
you. Ugh. 2 and 2/3. Shed 2.66667, right? 6 repeating. Okay. If you multiply them, if it's inverse, you multiply them, right? So write an equation for here. So what would k be?
Negative 20.
Negative 20. Good. Y equals negative 20 over x. Good. All right. Last one's here. Our asymptotes are at x equals negative 4, y equals negative 1. Okay, it's negative. So our domain, all real numbers except x cannot equal negative 4. All numbers, y cannot equal negative 1. 18. Asymptotes are at x equals 2, y equals 2. All real numbers except x cannot equal 2. All real numbers except y cannot equal 2. Number 19, our asymptotes are at x equals negative 3 and y equals negative 3. All right, get our graphs. That says range twice. How did that? Oh, because I copy and pasted. That should say domain. So the domain is all real numbers except x cannot equal 3. The range is all real numbers except y cannot equal 3. Shouldn't be negative. Yeah, it should be negative. It cannot equal negative 3. Sorry.